Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix JBL speaker crackling sound and summarized explanation. Update firmware. Ensure your speaker firmware is current. Use the JBL portable app to check for and install updates. Reduce interference. Bluetooth devices. Limit the number of active Bluetooth devices nearby to prevent signal interference. Wi-Fi networks. If using Wi-Fi, ensure a strong signal and minimize interference from other networks. Check audio source. Verify that the audio source is not the cause of the crackling. Test the speaker with different devices or audio files to rule out this possibility. Reset the speaker. Perform a factory reset to resolve software-related issues. Refer to your speaker's manual for specific instructions. Inspect for damage. Examine the speaker for any physical damage that could affect performance. Thanks for watching.